Chalk is so 1980s. This is the 2020s. If you're not using chalk markers, you're wasting your life away. Chalkola sent me this chalk package to test out. Chalk markers are so superior to chalk, there's no competition. Let me show you these markers. We've got a Papa Bear sized marker and a Mama Bear sized marker. We've got Just Right marker, and we've got Big Sister marker, and we've got Baby Bear marker. The smaller ones have the little clippy part, although I've never clipped a pen on my shirt or pocket ever in my life, and I am a nerd, and these do not, just in case that matters to you. If you like to clip your stuff on your pocket, you go right ahead. It's so much easier to write beautifully. I wrote with my chalk, with actual chalk in my pantry, and it never looked good. It comes off. If you're labeling stuff, it comes off. These do not come off. Here's how good it looks when you're writing in your house with them. It's so easy to use these to write with because it's like writing with a pen. This is how beautiful you can make it look. You can decorate your labels in such a beautiful way. If you like that look, you must have these pens. And let me show you here on our bigger chalkboard outside how easy it is to make a scene or a decoration or make something look good. In addition to that, in addition to just being able to write so much better with them, these come in different sizes, so you can do lots of good things with them. One thing you should be aware of is that you need to prime the pen, so tap, 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 tap until the ink starts coming out, and then store them on their sides for longevity. Get a little container to put your chalk pens in and keep them nearest where you'll be using them. You could definitely let your kids use these, especially if you've ever wanted an indoor chalkboard, but you're like, oh no, we ain't doing that mess. This is the answer. You can have that chalkboard. I have an extra counter in my house I don't know why it's here. But I was actually thinking of painting it with chalkboard paint and letting kids color on it whenever they feel like it. And this is the kind of thing that would allow me to do that, because no way are they coloring with chalk in this house. That's making my eye twitch. The kids can definitely use these, but even more importantly, you can use them. I will link these for you below, along with some chalkboard labels so that you can get a little set and decorate your pantry with them. If you're not subscribed, gotta subscribe. What are you waiting for? This is as good as it gets. I'm telling you, as good as it gets. I'll see you real soon.